Hi, I'm Andy. This is Investing Book Highlights. You can help build this channel by clicking like and subscribe. And now, on with the show. I started reading investing books 2 years ago. I took it to heart when I learned that the best investors in the world read, and they read a lot, and they read a variety of different topics. Investing Book Highlights is here to help investors navigate the large selection of investing books available. So when I read a book with my yellow highlighter, I highlight important sentences or passages. Some books I'll highlight a lot, some books I'll highlight a few, and some books I don't make any highlights at all. Highlighting when you read is something I definitely encourage. Value Investing from Graham to Buffett and Beyond was the 20th investing book I read. Originally published in 2001, it was written by Bruce Greenwald, Judd Kahn, Paul Sonkin, and Michael Van Beyond. I bought the 2004 edition on August 15, 2019. It has 320 pages and I made highlights on 33 pages. I remember being a little lost when I read this book, and in preparation for this video, I came across a sentence towards the start of the book which probably explains why. It read, "This book, which offers an updated version of the Benjamin Graham and David Dodd investing approach, is hardly out of place." Benjamin Graham and David Dodd wrote the classic value investing book Security Analysis, and Benjamin Graham wrote The Intelligent Investor. So when a book claims to follow on from those two books, it isn't going to be the easiest book for a beginner investor to read. I'll cover just two highlights in this video, and the first comes from page 17. The investment world offers so many choices that any serious investor needs to carve out a limited part of that world before beginning his or her analysis. The first two things that come to mind when we think about investing are usually stocks and real estate. But there are so many more investment vehicles: bonds, currencies, commodities, collectibles, derivatives, and more than this. Even in the stocks and real estate categories, there are many subcategories. While we can debate what actually constitutes an investment vehicle, the fact is there are many to choose from. Part of our job as investors is finding our niche, and while most of us will still probably invest in stocks or real estate, it still needs to be our niche, what we enjoy investing in, and that niche is what you need to find for yourself. The second highlight is from page 260. Each investment is a wager against the party on the other side of the trade. Viewing this highlight in the context of the stock market, stock prices aren't made by some mythical entity that is dictating what a company is worth. Each stock price is a result of human interaction, and it's important to remember this. When I buy a stock, there's a human selling a stock. When I sell a stock, there is a human buying a stock. This way of thinking can help keep us centered, and anything that helps keep us centered in our investing is sure to help with our portfolio returns. Thank you, Bruce Greenwald, Judd Kahn, Paul Sonkin, and Michael Van Beyond for writing Value Investing from Graham to Buffett and Beyond. In each video, I tally up the cost of the books I've read. As this was book 20, the total cost, including book 21, which I covered in the last video, is $578.78, and that's in Australian dollars. To help build this channel, please click like and subscribe. Leave a comment or question below and I'll be sure to follow up. And I hope your day is full of highlights.